Enhanced food processing. The enhanced processing lid with feed chute and select cut processing discs allow for precise shredding, slicing, and grating. Never stall again. Crushing blender with 1600 peak watt power dense motor and smart torque to power through and never stall. XL Smoothie Bowl Maker, with built-in tamper specially designed to power through frozen ingredients using less liquid for smoothie bowls or nuts and seeds for smooth nut butters. Nutrient Extraction Cup, designed to deliver better ingredient breakdown for perfectly smooth drinkables. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. Variable speed control, speed and texture control of every blend. 7 programs, preset auto IQ programs for one-touch smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, food processing, and dough. Smoother blending, hybrid edge blade assembly deliver better breakdown of frozen whole fruits and veggies, nuts, seeds, and ice for smoother blends. Dishwasher safe parts, containers, lids, discs, and blade assemblies are all dishwasher safe. What's included? 1600 peak watt motor base, 72 ounces. Power blender and processor pitcher, feed chute lid with 2-part pusher, 18 ounces. XL Smoothie Bowl Maker with built-in tamper and storage lid, 24 ounces. Nutrient Extraction Cup, total crushing and chopping blade assembly, reversible slicing/shredding disc, grating disc, dough blade, hybrid edge blades assembly and 20 recipe inspiration guide. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing multi-purpose unit. Love this blender. The power is exceptional, easy to clean, so many accessories and things that I've been able to get rid of several other small appliances, mini food processor, full-size food processor, small personal smoothie blender, and just use this one, which is great. Beware, the blades are sharp, which is not a complaint, because it's what makes the smoothies so smooth, but if you are a klutz like me, you will end up with some cuts if you aren't careful. Net, this blender has changed my kitchen life and I wish I had purchased it sooner.